Yo, what is good, guys? I want to say something, bro. Comfortability is a cancer. You know what I mean? And it's crazy, bro. When I'm comfortable, man, I feel bad. I hate being comfortable, man. I don't do nothing, man. When you're comfortable, you don't grow. You don't do nothing, bro. This game that we live, bro. Life is a game. It's Monopoly, bro. You can be that comfortable person collecting his 200 every single time he goes and passes go. He's scared to invest here. He's scared to invest here. Shit, he landed on Boardwalk, but guess what? He don't want to spend money. He don't want to invest his time. He don't want to invest his money, man. He said, fuck that shit. I'd rather get my $200 at go. But guess what? The person right next to him said, fuck it. You know what? I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to make the sacrifice. And I'm going to get the fucking Boardwalk. Now, guess what? He's going to build on that. And guess what? The guy who was comfortable the whole fucking time collecting his $200, he lands on Boardwalk. Guess what? He's fucked. He's fucked. You people need to realize, man, comfortability is a cancer, bro. Kind of add on to that, our comfortable friend over here collecting $200 every single time pass and go that didn't make no sacrifice, who didn't make no investments, who didn't take no risk. You know what? Now, if he lands on Boardwalk, he's so screwed. He's got to go around 10 more times. Our boy over here who made the investment, who took the sacrifice, who said, you know what, I'm going to take the risk. I'm going to get Boardwalk. I'm going to build on it. I'm going to work my way to it. I'm going to work hard for it. You know what? It probably didn't pay him. It didn't pay him right away. Our comfortable friend over here probably passed it 5 times without touching it. But guess what? If he touched it 1 time, those 5 times didn't mean nothing. 10 times didn't mean nothing because it'll go like this. Boom. Guess what? If he lands on it 3 times in a row, you're done. But our boy over here, man, he's not collecting only $200 on go. He's going to collect his $200 plus his $2,000. You know what I'm saying? Keep that in mind, man. You guys got to take risks, bro. You guys got to take risks. That's how life is, man. Crazy, bro, because it's just like, man, a lot of people need to change their mindset. Everything starts with your mind. If you don't have a proper mindset, if you don't see yourself there before it actually happens, bro, you'll never be there. A lot of you guys have these really good ass ideas, man. These real nice ideas, bro. I'll be real, man. A lot of you guys are bright as fuck, man. A lot of you guys be telling me a bunch of shit and I'll be like, damn, that's amazing. But then eventually a brick wall comes in, with a big fat letter saying endeavor. You got your endeavors right there. You got a brick wall. You're like, damn, what do I do? You got a sledgehammer right in front of you, bro. But that's the thing, bro, because then you go and you hit that. You try to break that brick wall down, bro. And nothing happened. And you guys give up. Not me, man. I see a problem. I see a brick wall in front of me. I'm going to hit that bitch with a sledgehammer. Yeah, nothing might happen. But guess what? It received an impact. If I keep hitting it hard enough, it's going to come down. It ain't the same no more, man. Keep that in mind, bro. Daniel, I don't have the luxury of being my own boss. I don't have the luxuries you have. I hate my job. I hate my coworkers. I hate it. I don't give a damn what you hate, bro. That's excuse. I don't want to hear no fucking excuses, bro. I used to have the same excuses. I used to have the same excuse you have. I don't want to wash cars today. I don't want to be in the hot ass sun working 60 hours a week for $300 in a place where people look at me like shit, where people spit on me every single day, look at me like garbage. I don't want to be there, but you know what? I had to be there because I didn't have an option. I didn't have a choice. I didn't have the luxury of looking for whatever job I wanted to. I didn't have a diploma. I didn't have mommy and daddy to give me a place to live. No, I couldn't, bro. If I didn't work, I couldn't live. I couldn't survive. I couldn't pay for food. I couldn't pay to live on my couch. I couldn't do shit. But you know what? That's growth right there. Doing something you don't want to do, but you got to do it anyways, man. That's growth. That is growth. That is growth right there, man. Because guess what? If you don't do it, somebody else is going to do it. And guess what? They're probably going to do it better than you. And you know what happens? You're gone. You're gone. People are so confused on what it is to work for somebody, man. People be like, I hate my fucking job. I hate the owner. I hate my boss, man. Let me tell you, bro. I hated my job too. But guess what? I loved my boss. I loved my boss. You know why? Because he was successful. He was a businessman. He was an entrepreneur, man. He had nothing. And guess what? He came to this country with nothing. And guess what, man? He became a multi-millionaire, man. It took him many years. But guess what? He did it. He didn't give up. And that motivated me, man. This guy motivated me every single day, man. I hated cars. I hated washing cars. I wasn't doing shit. I wasn't making no money. I was hating my life. But you know what? I was learning. I was learning from somebody. I was learning from my boss, bro. I was motivated by my boss every single day, man. Washing these fucking cars. Him coming up in a Maserati. I'm here taking a bus. I said, fuck that shit, bro. I'm going to own a Maserati one day. Guess what, man? I bought a fucking Lamborghini instead. So keep that in mind, bro. Working for somebody is not a bad thing, bro. It's just what you do. What you do at your job that matters. Did I say one Lamborghini?